1, 2, 3, and to the 4! What's up mga people? Kag-ari ta di subong sa University of St. LaSalle. Woo! Tara na! Uy! Ari ka man di gali. So it's your lucky day because we will take you to our lives as a BSIT student. With a twist.
Run.
Wait lang! Dali! Oh. Ang init. Sobrang init. Oh, kung uniform na ako. Well, buti lingon, gasugod na ang lesson. So tara na. Init, no? Sige, check natin ang weather.
Stewart's book highlights how math helps us understand phenomena like weather and patterns in nature. Weather patterns can be modeled using mathematical equations, which help us predict climate changes.
So right now, we are heading to our next class, which is the programming class. So, since may vacant time pa kami, mag-interview ta danay. So, uy, ari naman siya liwat, si classmate. Uy, hello.
Hello.
Oh. So, may question ko si mo. What can you say about the campus?
So the campus, nami siya, especially the buildings, kay modern, which is, I like din. Nang diri ko nag-enroll. One of the reasons.
So,
And-
nag-enroll ka di kay tungod nami ang lugar, nami ang building.
Yeah, one of the reasons. And, like that, buildings.
Okay.
So, may siya 5 floors.
5 floors, yeah. Which is amazing naman, no?
Yeah.
In architecture and engineering, Stewart's discussion on patterns and symmetry is very relevant. Understanding geometric patterns ensures that our structures are both functional and aesthetically pleasing.
So kuno guys, sa na-notice nyo man guro sang inambal sa ngaton nga interview bag-o lang nga about sa campus, about the buildings, about the places around here inside the campus. And it's because the architecture that was made by architects, buildings that was built by engineers, it's because they always use math. So guys, ari ta di okay. Wait lang. Okay. So, we're here right now at computer lab. Hey, I'm right here. Okay. So, here we are at the computer lab. So, as you can see, can you just move backward, please? So, as you can see, there are a lot of computer. Give me that. So, guys, ari ta di subong sa computer lab. Sorry. So, ari ta di subong sa computer lab. So, as you can see, there are a lot of computers here. And, mang-interview ta di subong si kay... Oh, ari naman digling ako yung classmate to. Hello, bro. Hello, Day. Day. Hello. Hello, bro mo.
Activities sa aton na programming.
So, paano mo gina-apply ang math sa programming anyways?
We use algorithm and patterns in creating codes, and we use math. Math is one of the language na we use in creating programs.
I see. So, amo na mag-programming ka mo.
Yes.
I see. That's cool. So, that's a wrap on today's vlog from weather patterns and architectural designs and also programming. Chapter 2 of Nature's Numbers shows how deeply mathematical patterns are embedded in our world. It's incredible to see these concepts in action throughout the day. Bye-bye!